Do you feel nervous in a coffee shop?
Do you want coffee, but no English comes out?
Don't worry. Today you will learn how to order coffee in English easily.
After this video, you can walk into any coffee shop with confidence.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Today's topic is very useful and very fun. Ordering coffees in English.
Yes, maybe you travel, maybe you study abroad, maybe you just love coffee.
In this video, you will learn simple English for coffee shops.
You will learn how to order, how to ask questions, and how to sound natural.
And don't worry, very easy English step by step.
Ready? Let's go get some coffee. First, you walk into the coffee shop. What happens?
Usually the worker says, "Hello, hi, welcome. What can I get for you? What would you like?"
Very common, very friendly.
You can answer simply, "Hi, please. Hello, I'd like a coffee, please. Can I get a coffee, please?"
Easy and polite. The magic sentence.
Here is the best sentence. "I'd like a coffee, please."
Super useful. Repeat again.
"I'd like a coffee, please."
One more time.
"I'd like a coffee, please."
Great job. Types of coffee.
Now let's learn common coffee names. Coffee black, coffee latte, cappuccino, espresso, Americano.
Iced coffee mocha. Example. I'd like a latte, please. Can I get an Americano? I'd like an iced coffee, please.
Very simple.
Size the worker may ask. Small, medium, or large. What size?
Your answers, small please, medium please, large please.
Example conversation. Worker. What size? You. Medium, please.
Again, worker. What size? You. Large please.
Your turn. I ask. You answer. What size?
Say it now, small, medium, or large.
Great practice. Part 5. Hot or iced?
Sometimes they ask, hot or iced. Would you like it hot or iced?
Answers. Hot, please. Iced, please.
Example. Worker. Hot or iced? You. Iced, please.
Part 6. Milk choices. Many coffee shops ask about milk. Regular milk, oat milk, soy milk, almond milk.
They may ask, what kind of milk? Any milk preference?
Easy answers. Regular milk, please. Oat milk, please. Soy milk, please.
Example. Worker. What kind of milk? You. Oat milk, please.
Sugar and extras. They may ask, sugar. Do you want sugar? Anything else?
Answers. Yes, please. No, thank you. 1 sugar, please. 2 sugars, please. And that's all, thank you.
Example. Worker. Sugar. You. 1 sugar, please. Part 8. Full order. Example.
Let's make a full order. Worker. Hi. What would you like? You. I'd like a medium latte, please.
Worker. Hot or iced?
You. Hot, please.
Worker. Anything else?
You. No, thank you.
Perfect. Part 9. Paying. Then you pay. The worker may say, that's $5. That's $3.50. Cash or card?
You can answer, card, please, cash. Here you go, thank you.
Example. Worker. Cash or card? You. Card, please.
Part 10. Name for the order. Host B. In many coffee shops, they ask, what's your name? Name for the order?
Just say your name clearly. Anna, David, Maria, Alex.
Example. Worker. Name for the order? You. Alex.
Your turn. What is your name? Say it clearly in English now.
Nice. Confidence is growing.
No problem. Use these helpful sentences. Sorry. Can you repeat that? Slowly, please. I don't understand.
These are powerful sentences.
Example. Worker. Would you like whipped cream? You. Sorry. Slowly, please.
Very good. Host B. Always remember, please, thank you, excuse me, sorry.
These words make your English kind and friendly. Dialogue 1.
Worker. Hi. What can I get for you? You. I'd like a small cappuccino, please.
Dialogue 2. Worker. Hot or iced?
You. Iced, please.
Dialogue 3. Worker. Anything else?
You. No, thank you.
Dialogue 4. Worker. Cash or card?
You. Card, please.
Excellent. Repeat after me. I'd like a latte, please. Medium, please. Iced, please. Card, please. Thank you.
One more time with confidence.
Now let's hear a short story.
Emma is traveling in London. She wants coffee. She feels nervous.
She walks into a coffee shop. Hello, what would you like?
Emma. I'd like a latte, please.
Worker. What size?
Emma. Medium, please.
Worker. Hot or iced?
Emma. Iced, please.
Worker. Name for the order.
Emma. Emma.
Worker. That's £4.
Emma. Card, please. And
2 minutes later.
Worker. Emma. Emma. Thank you.
Emma smiles. She did it.
And you can do it too.
Part 14. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Only saying coffee.
Better. I'd like a coffee, please.
Mistake 2. Speaking too softly.
Speak clearly and smile.
Mistake 3. Panic when they ask questions.
Stay calm. Use simple answers. Small, medium, large, hot, iced, card.
Part 15. Sound more natural. Want to sound more natural? Try these. Can I get a latte, please? I'd like an iced coffee, please. That's all, thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nice English.
Let's review. When you order coffee, use I'd like a coffee, please. Can I get a latte, please? Small, medium, or large? Hot or iced? Card or cash? Thank you.
If you don't understand, say, sorry, can you repeat that? Slowly, please, and
keep it simple. Keep it polite. Keep smiling.
you can do this. Next time you go to a coffee shop, try English.
Be brave. One small sentence can open many doors.
Tell us in the comments, what coffee do you like? Latte, cappuccino, iced coffee?
And write this sentence in the comments. I'd like a blank, please.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye.